Hello friends, you are welcome at my channel Civil Mantra. Friends, today we are going to discuss a new question. Let us see how to solve this question. Today's question is the utter birth limit of a given soil are the liquid limit is equal to 60%, plastic limit is equal to 45%, and shrinkage limit is 25%. The specific gravity of the soil solid is 2.67. A sample of this soil at liquid limit has a volume of 20 centimeter cube. What will be its final volume if the sample is brought to its shrinkage limit, means SA? Let us see, friends. Here one word is used as uttermost limit. What you mind when you see these words? It is have some limits. It is called a consistency. Let us see what is the consistency graph. You can see here is the shrinkage limit, it is a plastic limit, and it is the liquid limit. And here liquid limit it is given as 60%, and plastic limit it is given as 45%, and shrinkage limit it is given as 25%. What is the means of the shrinkage limit, plastic limit, and the liquid limit? It means the shrinkage limit it is the water content at the shrinkage limit. It is the percentage of the water content at this limit. At this limit, plastic limit means at the plastic limit, the soil sample has 45% water of the total mass of the solid in its state, and there is a liquid state. So let us see how to solve this question. Let us assume mass of the soil solid in the sample. How much? How much would be the solids mass of the solids in the sample? It is assumed as mass of the soil solids in the sample is mass of the solid. We can denote it as MS, and we know mass of the water at the liquid limit. What would be the mass of the water at liquid limit? We know liquid limit is given as liquid limit it is 60%, and we know liquid limit means water content at liquid limit. We can see it is the mass of water divided by mass of solid is equal to, it is given as 0.6. Then mass of water will be 0.6 multiplied by ms. What it is? It is mass of water at liquid limit. Let us see what will the volume of the water at liquid limit. Volume of water at liquid limit. We know volume it is given as the mass of the water divided by the density of the water. Let us see, mass of water is 0.6 ms, and density of the water it is given as 1 gram per cc. Density of water we know it will be the 1 gram per cc. Let us see, we put the density of the water as the 1 gram per cc. Let us solve. It will become as 0.6 ms. It will be in the unit of the cc. Unit will be the centimeter cube. Okay, we calculate it as liquid limit. Now let us see what will be the volume of the solid. Total volume it is given as total volume of solid is at liquid limit, at liquid limit is 20 centimeter cube. And now we can calculate as the volume of the solid at liquid limit. Volume of the solid at liquid limit, we can see total volume, we can be calculated it as total volume minus of the volume of water. We already calculated as of the volume of water as 0.6 ms. Let us see 0.6. Let us write here 0.6 ms. We can also know volume of solid can be given as mass of solid divided by density of solid, and we know mass of solid and density of the solid will be the specific gravity multiplied by the density of water, we know. And here G is equal to 2.67 given. You can see here the specific gravity of the solid is 2.67. Let us see, it is the equation number 1 and it is equation number 2, and comparing the both equation. Comparing the equation, first and second. We get as it is also the volume of solid. It is also the volume of solid at liquid limit. We know it is given at 20 minus 0.6 mass of solid will be equal to mass of solid divided by specificity multiplied by density of water. Let us solve this and putting the value. It can be given as mass of solid divided by specificity of the solid is 2.67 and density of water is given by 1. Let us solve, and if we simplify this, it will be given as 53.4 equal to ms plus 1.602 mass of solid, and we simplify this and we will get mass of solid ms equal to 33.4 gram. It will be mass of the solid, and now we can calculate the volume of solid at liquid limit. It will be given as volume of solid. It will be the mass of the solid, and it will be, here we have calculated mass of solid as 33.4 divided by specific gravity 2.67 multiplied by 1. And now volume of solid will be calculated as 12.484 cc. What is the means of the volume of solid? We know when volume of solid will be remain in all states, whether it will be semi-solid state or plastic state or liquid state, it will be the remain, and its value will be the 12.484. But the volume of the water content, we can say volume of the water will be changed according to the water content. We know the here at liquid limit water content will be the more, and at plastic limit amount of the water will be less compared to the liquid limit, and volume of the water at single limit will be the more less according to the compared to the plastic limit and the liquid limit. Let us see, and now we will solve the volume of water, we can say volume at the shrinkage limit. Now volume of water at shrinkage limit, we know it is given as the shrinkage limit is 25%. We can see, we can write it in the decimal is as 0.25. Now what is the shrinkage limit? What is the shrinkage limit? It means the mass of water and the mass of solid. It is the ratio at the shrinkage limit equal to 0.25. If we calculate the mass of water, it will become 0.25 multiplied by mass of solid, and but we have calculated the mass of solid as earlier 12.484. Let us put the value here 12.484. Then mass of water will become as 8.335 gram. 8.335 gram. If we change the mass of water in the volume, then volume, it is the mass of water at shrinkage limit. Let us find the volume of water at shrinkage limit. Volume of water at shrinkage limit, it will be the mass of water divided by density of water, and we know the mass of water is 8.335 gram and density of the water is 1. Let us see, and now volume of water will become as, will be find as 8.335 centimeter cube. Now what is the question? It is asked what will be the final volume of the, if the sample is brought to its shrinkage limit, means what will the total volume of the sample at shrinkage limit. Let us see, and total volume of the sample at shrinkage limit, it can be given as the volume of water at shrinkage limit plus volume of solid. Means why we are putting the volume of solid, means as I explained earlier, the volume of the solid will be same all over the state, whether it will be our semi solid state or the plastic state or in the liquid state, but the water amount of the water will be changed according to their states. So we are written as volume of water at the shrinkage limit, and we have calculated the volume of water at shrinkage limit, it is 8.335 centimeter cube. Let us see, let us write here 8.335 centimeter cube plus volume of solid we have calculated as 12.484. Let us write here 12.484. Now, if we add these two, it will become as 20.819 centimeter cube, and it will be the total volume at the shrinkage limit. It is the answer of our question. So, friends, we can calculate this types of the question as we have explained. I have explained. And now we will meet again in the next video. Thank you. Bye.